Okay? So, these are the imbalances of blood deficiency. Blood deficiency may cause Chi deficiency. So, all organs and tissues need blood and nutrition in order to function continuously. Otherwise, they would get exhausted and stop functioning. If heart blood became deficient, the person could have bradycardia, hypersomnia, and problems with concentrating for long. Di makapag-concentrate, okay? If liver blood became deficient, the muscles would tire quickly during activity, madaling mapagod, okay? If spleen blood became deficient, the person would feel weak and hungry, could be weak in the limbs and suffer slow bleeding symptoms. If there is lung blood deficiency, it would cause thin and dry skin that wrinkles and injures easily but does not heal well, okay? And the opening and closing function of the skin would be affected, okay? Kidney blood deficiency would retard the function of menstruation, fertility, sensitivity, and the function of the nervous system. So treatment, use points for blood building. Use move front move and back shoe points for affected organ, and use tonification of the young of the coupled organs. Okay? So, blood deficiency can cause dryness. Since blood is a fluid, blood deficiency can cause dryness in the skin, hair, and nails. Parang ako to. This is referred to as blood dryness as opposed to yin deficiency. In this case, dryness cannot be improved by increasing water intake and eating yin type foods. Treatment, you have to use blood building points and yin tonification of the related organ. So you have to study, okay? Kung ano-ano yun. Let's go to blood deficiency may cause internal wind to rise. Just as yin deficiency causes yang to rise from time to time, blood deficiency can cause wind to rise from time to time. The symptoms for this rising internal wind would be fibromyalgia, migraine headache, high blood pressure, wandering musculoskeletal pains, or other symptoms of an irritating nature, katulad ng itching sensation, mga makakate. This internal wind rises from liver during liver blood deficiency, but it can attack and manifest in other organs, especially the lungs, which is also blood or yin deficient. Okay? Treatment, use the points for blood building. Use wind elimination points for appropriate area with the correct wind elimination needle technique. So, mayroon pong elimination needle technique. Research po natin. Use liver 2 as wind elimination point and sedate gallbladder 38 to sedate the young aspect of the liver. Okay? Let's go to blood deficiency may cause coldness. It is clear that if the blood does not reach some place, it will remain cold, malamig. If one is hungry or has had less sleep, konti lang ang tulog, it is normal to feel cold in the body. A good meal or long sleep can make one feel warm again. So, kailangan yon. Blood deficiency coldness usually manifests as a characteristics marbling on the limbs. Okay? This can be observed in patients with chronic tendovaginitis, cellulite, etc. Coldness where there is no blood deficiency shows pale or purplish, usually in blood stagnation coloring. Okay? Treatment, blood building points and many local needles in the affected area. Using of moxa or cupping in the area would also of a great help.